Kia ora. Let's talk about the key features of your Landonline landing page. We're on your landing page. At the top left of your page is the app switcher. Select this to choose another app to work in. If you select the arrow, you can open the app in another tab. On the right is your name and the firm you're doing the dealing under. You'll also find the right-hand menu. Select the icon to open the right-hand menu. Here, you can create a request. Go to your profile to edit your details or set notice preferences. Change your password. Learn what's been added to the app. Find out known bugs with the apps. Go to our Landonline support information to find instructions on how to prepare your dealing. Or give feedback. We love this. And log out. Please take time to review the last login. If you didn't log in on this day, please let us know. Keeping Landonline secure is important for all of us. Click anywhere to close. Let's go to our tabs. The My Dealings tab will be open. The Firm Dealings tab shows all the dealings in play by colleagues in your firm and how many have been requisitioned. The Supplementary Actions tab is where you can create or correct a notice of change. Let's go back to My Dealings. You can create a new dealing by selecting the New Dealing button. When looking for a dealing, you can filter them by just typing in the dealing number or any information from the columns into the filter. Just backspace to remove anything from the filter. You can also scroll to find dealings. You can also filter by all, primary contact, or signing. Let's look at the columns. If you hover beside the column name, an arrow will appear. You can click on the arrow to order the dealings from oldest to newest. Let's look at the client reference columns. It's a good idea when creating your dealing to add client references. That means when you're looking for the dealing, it can be faster to find it. You can find your dealing numbers in the dealing column. Click on the number to be taken to the Instrument and Rules page to edit your dealing. You can find settlement dates for your dealing under the Settlement column. Under My Role, you can find out your role for the dealing. It can be Primary Contact or Conveyancing Professional, or both. The Status column shows the status of the dealing, for example, draft or lodged. The path shows whether the dealing is set to auto-register or to step down to lodge. Click anywhere on the Dealing row to bring up the Dealing Details panel. The Dealing Details tab will tell you if pre-validation has been run. We'll show the instruments on the dealing, roles, titles, and other information. The transaction log lists all changes made to the dealing. Select the X to close the panel. Select the three-dot menu to do actions to a dealing, including edit, pre-validate, tax statements, certify and sign, release instruments, or delete the dealing. For more Landonline tutorials, visit our website on lins.govt.nz. Thanks for watching. Hei konei rā.